To update an expiring certificate for a Qlik Sense server, you'll essentially need to do just 3 things. First, you'll need to create a CSR and submit it to a certification authority to get a new certificate. Second, you'll need to import the new certificate into a certificate console. And third, you'll need to swap the certificate thumbprint in QMC. Now, yesterday I showed you how to create a CSR, and I shared an INF template with all the encryption and hashing and key size preferences needed for a Qlik Sense server certificate. I also did a separate video discussing buying a certificate versus getting one for free from your company's internal certification authorities. Go check those out if you haven't gotten a new certificate yet. Now, assuming you already got a new certificate, let's get your Qlik Sense server configured to start using it. The first step is to go to the Start menu and type in MMC to search for Microsoft Management Console, this one. Then click the Yes button on this user account control window to launch MMC. Now, this is a blank console. Many things can be added to it, but in our case, we'll need to add the certificates snap-in, which will allow us to see and manage servers' certificates. To do that, let's go to the File menu and select Add Remove Snap-in option. Then select the certificates and click the Add button. Next, select the computer account, since this is a server certificate and not a user or a service account certificate. And click the Next button, and then click the Finish button. Now, this is the only snap-in that we'll need, so go ahead and click the OK button. Okay, so now that the certificate snap-in has been added, let's expand it and go to the personal folder and then click on this certificates folder. These are the certificates available on a server. Okay, so now that we see server's certificates, let's import the new one that we got from a certification authority. And to do that, go to the action menu and select all tasks, and then click the import option. Click the Next button, and then click the Browse button to find the new certificate. Mine is located right here. Go ahead and select your new certificate and click the Open button. Then click Next. Leave the Place all certificates in the following store option selected. That will import the certificate into this personal certificates folder, which is the right place for it. And then click the Next button and click Finish. And lastly, click OK. Okay, so the new certificate is important. That's done. Let's open it up and make sure that your server has the private key associated with the certificate. You should see a message like this one. That means all is good. Okay, so now that the new certificate is imported and we have the private key for it, all that's left to do is grab the new certificate's thumbprint and replace it in QMC. Let's do that. Let's jump to the Details tab, scroll all the way down, and select the thumbprint field. And then copy the certificate's thumbprint value. Now, replacing a certificate in QMC will require a proxy to be restarted. It takes only a moment, but during the restart, all of the users will be logged out of your Qlik Sense server. So, do this outside of business hours. Okay, let's keep going and jump to QMC. Go to the proxy section, double-click the central proxy, and then select the security properties to see the thumbprint of the certificates. That's the thumbprint of the certificate that your server is using right now. Go ahead and highlight it and delete it and paste the new certificate's thumbprint. Then click the apply button. You'll see this pop-up module about the proxy service restart requirement. Go ahead and click the OK button, which will restart the proxy servers and ultimately get your Qlik Sense server to start using the new certificate. Believe it or not, that's all there's to it. But let's confirm to be sure. I recommend closing and reopening the browser because it doesn't always automatically update and show the new certificate information. Closing and reopening the browser does force it to pick up on the certificate change. I'll go ahead and close and reopen QMC, then log in and click this lock icon. The connection is secure, message is a good sign. Let's click on it and confirm that we see the new expiration date. And we do. There you go. Your Qlik Sense server is using a new certificate. Now, the last thing I recommend doing is deleting the old certificate from MMC. This way you won't have to wonder which certificates are old and useless and which ones are valid. Server backup process will be easier, recovery process will be easier. Good things come from keeping your server clean. Okay, so as a recap, all we really did was import the new certificate and update the certificate thumbprint value in QMC. That's really all it takes to update an expiring certificate in QMC. That's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with more Qlik Sense tips and insights.